Introducing Smart Cyber Operational Technology Security SCOTS. Machines in the production line are now connected to the outside world. Regular IT protection systems cannot stand guard to threats targeted at the OT or ICS systems. You need a solution that is specifically developed to protect your industrial systems and assets. SCOTS is a solution designed to safeguard OT systems in any type of manufacturing plant with a live anomaly detection dashboard, quick response to security threats, incident management, and comprehensive reports. SCOTS applies 5 distinct steps to protect the production ecosystem: 24/7 monitoring, real-time assessment, isolating threats to protect your data, quick recovery capabilities, and actionable analytics to make fast and accurate decisions. Call us for a quick audit of your OT cybersecurity.